Well, I'm in the ocean. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am back today with another video, and I'm moving so slow in F5 because I am in 1.15.1. Not 0.2, but 0.1. Now, the reason I'm in this update is because this is, as you guys can tell by the title, Sim Server! The side series is back, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Sim Alley is not on the server. Oh my god, I have one bar. That's not a good sign. Where did my boat go? There's Sim right there. My boat has vanished. Oh, little Wolfie. Yeah, even though, yeah. Lovely. Well, oh my god. Sim, if you're watching this video, this is Spawn. Any of you guys want bone tames? No. No. Nope. One bone tame! Nope. One bone tame. One bone tame. Nope. There's another one right here. One bone tame. Now, any of you guys who are somewhat new to my server, well, this is Infinite Mutton. I will have to mute myself real quick. Sorry about that, guys. Let's quickly pick up my doggos. Come on, boys. Sit up. Sit up. Sit up, all of you. That should be everyone and all the sheep dead. Stay away from these. I'm pretty sure these were cheated because there's no way I've been gone long enough for people to have fought this many withers. But apparently this is Spawn. I'm going to go to sleep real quick. Now, I have done a lot of stuff on this server. As you guys can see, I got this shield here. I finished a raid, so that's... So that's awesome. So, I'm going to quickly sit my wolves down. Yeah, even with Sim outside of the server, she's still able to troll the Haiti out of me. Okay, I know it was more than 4 of you that got tamed. No. Okay. Anyways, let's do some exploring mainly for Sim because I haven't even seen this, this. Okay, hang on a minute. Need to fix that OCD kicking. Ah, she's giving me more bones. I see. That lag. I hit it. Lag. Ugh. Anyways, the reason that... The reason this says the holy pumpkin fountain of sheepiness is because on Simali's Discord server, it is the Discord server of sheepies. I will hopefully be able to provide a link in the description down below to that. I will replant that. I'm sorry to whoever put that there in the first place. Pumpkin Place, made by Fire Does YT. Not a bad place. I like it. Better than anything I could build out of pumpkins. I see we have the holy dirt of portals. And Fire's house. Nice. Sim must have given him a lot of emeralds. Ah, okay, yeah, this makes more sense. Pumpkin farm. So I wonder where Fire's living. At spawn? Last time people asked for Shulker Bot, yeah, she did this. He dropped none. Okay, so come on, open yourself, buddy. Oh, or not. Yeah, Sim calls herself the ghost. Because people don't really know who she is. It's freaky. But it's why Sim's one of my favorite YouTubers, that because she just does a bunch of random stuff. She's unpredictable and I like it. Whereas where I am extremely predictable. So yeah, unpredictable. I admit it. It feels good having a free inventory. Now I need to put valuables in this one. Let's see, there we go. I don't have very much in the terms of valuables, but I have quite a bit. Yeah, I know what her mission is with this. I'm just gonna put full row of cakes in here. All of them. Okay, so I don't remember where I was. So let's go this way. I can see some builds over here, so there's probably a bunch more stuff. Now, as I was trying to say, Sim can apparently troll me even when she's not on the server. There's a diamond sword. Awesome. Thank you, Sim. I always get confused on how to type this. It's some button. Wait. Ooh, this is an interesting building. Yeah. I'll keep one stack. This is an interesting... And there's a jungle. But yeah, this server is on 1.15, so I'm surprised there isn't anything doing with honey. So, ugh. Alright, so let's go exploring this way. How long is the video? The video is 17 minutes. I think I'm going to make this a 30 long video just because it's Sim Alley. She deserves it. And I don't know if she's going to be able to come on shortly to actually troll me. Instead of stuff she's doing now. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, ow. Ouch. I can feel that. I feel that unsubscribing. The spam. The unsub spam. Ooh. Ooh, I can feel it. From that fish pun. Ooh. Oh boy, it hurts. But hey, that's all your guys' options, and it is my fault. I did make the worst pun ever. But hey, if it makes you guys feel any better, that's not how you spell officially, so I triggered myself in the process. You still hear my doggos? Yeah. Oh yeah, that reminds me. I have a texture pack that I want to put on. Oh, the server's unpeaceful. Yeah, this is a texture pack made for a like for 1.14. If any of you guys watched my Random Riders series. And Sim Summoning Lightning. I'm gonna run before it catches up to me and kills my doggies. Is that just giving something? Eh, whatever. Ouch. Kneecaps. Alright. How much time's on the server? Video, I meant. 21 minutes. 21 minutes. Let's keep exploring this way. Now. Green birdie! Oh, you took this one's seed. Holy cow, you were picky. Holy cow! Yep, you birdies are mine. I've got 2 birds, and I love them both. I've also got 4 dogs. And now I got cocoa beans. Jungle Temple. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly explore this. Go into there. Go into that forest. Sit. Birdies, sit. Hey, come here. Come here. I need you all to be sitting. Sit and sit. Sit. None of them's on my shoulders. I only sat down 2 birds. Where's my third? Whatever. Let's go in here. Ow! Ow! Ooh! Could use some bamboo. I love scaffolding. Ow! Ow! And okay, that's the wrong one. No. Okay, so I'm getting... There we go. That much work for 3 iron. Not worth it. Wolfies! Attack the pig! Good doggos. Oh, cat. Now let's go, you guys. My wonderful pets of mine. There's the third one. Yeah, I see him now. I sat him in a corner. Whoops. There we go. Let's head on this way. Let's store some more random junk. Put back on this armor, even though we're on peaceful, apparently. Also, realistic moon. Sam, I don't know if you watched my recent Random Riders video, but if you have, well, in case you haven't, here's a new texture pack I have. If you want it, I will give you the download link to it whenever you want, if you want that. Berry bushes, berry bushes, berry bushes. Can I find a fox? Oh yeah, because we're in peaceful, I won't lose hunger. Yeah, forgot about that. Also, I have no idea where my last coordinates were, so those are gone forever. And something tells me Sim knew that. No offense, Sim. But, bleh. Surprised nobody else has gotten on the server. Okay. 30 minutes. I think I'm gonna leave this forest and try to find somewhere good to do the outro and possibly live. Because I need a good location. If only this was 1.12.2. Then it could become modded. But knowing Sim, it'd only consist of Kajic and Treecapitator. No offense, Sim. Love ya. Please don't kill me in the comments. Or in Discord. I don't know. Anyways, let's find a good place to do the outro. How far into night is it? Oh, full moon. Okay. Ooh, I think I finally found a good place to do the outro. Never mind. God dang it. Well, guys, I'm just gonna go here and end the video. This has been fun. Oh, birdies. Yes, get on my shoulders. This has been fun, guys. I'm gonna be ending this video. I'm gonna be ending this video here. I don't know how to. Ah, crud. No, not sticky keys. I saw that coming! Well. Anyways, guys, I'm going to be ending this video here. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I will see you all next time. And goodbye. Heart attack. Yeah, she's the sheepy queen. Bye-bye, everybody.